So if you're anything like me, you are scared at the thought of having to teach coding to your class because it's something I just personally know nothing about. However, there is a platform that will help teachers from junior infants all the way up to 6th class called Coding Ireland, and they have endless lessons, plans, resources and step-by-step guides to either give teacher-led lessons for the real junior classes or self-paced lessons for children to do themselves from 3rd up to 6th class on their own Chromebooks or iPads. It's absolutely amazing. My whole school have been using it. I've been using it in senior infants, and coding is, I've just learned, it's not what you think. There's a lot of, say, literacy and learning at the start about what coding is, and it's definitely not to be feared. After doing this and delivering a couple of lessons, I have just found it so much easier. It is step by step. And if you are looking for something like that in your school, I cannot recommend Coding Ireland enough.